With our busy modern lifestyles, a lot of people skip breakfast in the morning, or because they believe it will help them lose weight. But is it really true? To find out, scientists at the University of Bath launched the Bath Breakfast Project.
In the Bath Breakfast Project, we compared individuals who were asked to fast every day until lunchtime with individuals who had a prescribed breakfast every day. And what we found is that those individuals who had fasted expended fewer calories over the day, and particularly during the morning, than those individuals who had had breakfast. And so this may go some way to explaining why skipping breakfast might not predict the kind of weight loss you'd expect. Of course, when we think of the implications of a study like this, often we'd immediately think, should we just have or skip breakfast for a certain weight loss or health gain goal? But in fact, by measuring the mechanisms, not only do we understand the problem better, but we can be more sensitive in our application of this study. So if we know, for example, that by skipping breakfast you might be less active, you could use that information to say, have breakfast and subconsciously I'll be more active. Or we can use the information intelligently to say, well, if I skip breakfast, I will just be aware of my propensity to be less active and try and insert activity elsewhere in my day. In terms of the evidence that we've accumulated in the last year or so then, I think it is fair to say that skipping breakfast alone as a weight loss strategy is ineffective.